Alright everyone, we're back with our hot topic segment this week. Our main point of interest this week, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but my man Lenny Dykstra. Lenny.
What a disaster.
Lenny filed for a little chapter 11, this week, but as he put it, dude, did Donald Trump file like 6 times?
Hit Shedderhead, right? Donald Trump's a little smarter than you. Well, come on now.
Yeah, we think he might be. I mean,
Lenny nails Dykstra, yeah, that's his name.
The only embarrassing part of this was when I watched that HBO special, that Real Sports special on him, and they took you up to his offices, and he's got like 9 million laptops around.
Oh, yeah. He's got
his husky suit on and his baseball hat. He's walking around, conducting his business, this and that. It was tough not to buy it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No matter how dumb that we all thought the guy was. Well, he's like, look at him. He actually knows. And then you got Mad Money Kramer, Jim Mad Money Kramer from CNBC saying he's one of the great ones in this business.
And I quote, he's a stock guru, and he was willing to give you for $999.95. You get Lenny stock tips.
Yeah, he bought Wayne Gretzky's mansion.
That's the one that's getting.
Yeah. He's not hanging on to that, right?
Yeah.
He owes $31 million to banks.
Yeah.
$31 million.
Yeah. Did Donnie Trump ever have 50,000 in assets?
This
and
guy,
owe 31 million.
This guy's a snake oil salesman.
His haircut, that dead skunk look, cost him 50 G's.
Somehow he conned all these investors. He's the Madoff.
Extra Vitalis.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, where's your Players Club magazine? Did you subscribe for that? Did you subscribe for that?
No, but I'm disappointed in my man crush there, my bromance. Derek Jeter was like one of the first guys on the cover of that. He deserves a beatdown for that.
He said it's an actual club of players helping players.
Yeah.
Professional athletes.
Well, it's to the upscale athlete.
He made a ton of money, I guess, car washes and car dealerships, I guess. He made a ton of money doing that. But what's this guy, what's his credentials to be an investor? I mean,
well,
zero.
Yeah.
Well, no, but also, I mean, if you're going to do a big, story on him like that on HBO, a credible show run by, one of the biggest, jerk-offs, Gumbel, I can't stand him, but the show itself is a credible show. And you don't dig a little deeper here?
Absolutely.
I mean, because there weren't any huge winners in the Dykstra. It's a lottery. It's a lottery. They showed a couple of guys that had won with the guy from his stock picks.
Yeah.
And there's just as many that were losing. To me, they didn't dig hard enough, and they just went with a story because it's Lenny Dykstra, and he's known as a national, moron, basically.
Oh, he's known as an idiot. Basically, obviously the guy screwed a lot of people. And somewhere along the line, the guy had, I guess maybe luck. He did make some money. He was worth $60 million at one point, screwing a lot of people, obviously. But, as he calls it, really, cheddar is his SoCal lingo, as we talked about a minute ago. But I think maybe one of the big stories here is the guy was making money. And obviously
times are great.
Exactly.
Of course, a lot of people making money.
Obviously, he's not that smart.
It's smoke and mirrors.
When the stock market goes down, so does Nelson.
Yeah, exactly, absolutely.
Yeah, the picks aren't as...
And bottom line, I think the ultimate irony in this, he's got to sell off his '86 World Series ring, and his trophy and other memorabilia.
I don't feel bad for him. He's a despicable human being. Jeff Pearlman covered him he covered baseball for SI for years. Despicable guy. He said he was just an outright despicable human being. I don't feel bad for the guy. My favorite quote from Lenny before we go, he's talking about how when he jumped into riding jets, private jets. His quote was, "Dude, I loved it, and I swear that I will never go back to flying commercial tube." Commercial tube.
Yeah. Sounds like a great idea, Lenny.
So Lenny, let's pony up and
where do I sign?
Get used to commercial tube again.
So Lenny would be lucky to be on a tube again.
Let's hit it real quick with around the NFL this week. Just a couple of snippets. I mean, my main thing of note is Jake Delhomme is lighting it up in Carolina. I mean, he's lucky he hasn't been crucified.
Oh, God, that guy.
9 interceptions in his past 2 games. Yeah, 9, counting the playoff game in Arizona. I mean, do you think maybe you might have wanted to call Bow Wow Vic. I gotta say, I mean, is Philly Carolina would have been a perfect place for this guy.
Yeah.
But right
It's early, so
they're a hell of a team.
jump up
He's
like
killing
it.
them, though. He's killing them.
I'd love to see him fail. I don't like the guy. I'm telling you.
I mean, what do we got? What do you guys got? Anything else?
Take a look at Jeremy Shockey. Had a rough season last year. He was hurt a little bit. This past week he had a couple of touchdowns, four receptions for 31 yards. I think it helps New Orleans out to have that threat in the middle of the
Definitely
field.
helps them out. I mean, I hate him.
No,
He's a loser.
he's a
but
loser of a human being.
It helps them out. It helps them out. The same way it makes that team. I mean, Drew Brees is unbelievable. Well, no, he's not. It's New Orleans.
Yeah, it's New Orleans.
Drew Brees is. I mean, like he needed another weapon.
He did. He needed someone else to go to.
But I mean, it's the same thing to me. Tony Gonzalez added to Matt Ryan. So.
Perfect. No, good analogy.
Very,
right there.
very similar.
I just want to bring up Mark Sanchez at the Jets, the rookie quarterback, 22 years old. Hey, Southern Cal, my point is, hey, Jets fans, just don't anoint this guy as the next Dan Marino, all right? I mean, one good game, yeah, it's good to see. He's got some good skill. But, they're going to be going Pats this week, Titans at home, at New Orleans, at Miami. So they got some tough games coming up. We're going to see what this guy's really made of.
Yeah, I mean, he looks calm, he looks collected.
Yeah, he does. He's got a lot of
He
poise.
made some throws that, I mean, in some of that game that easily could have been picked off, that he got some drops, but, I mean, what do you want from the guy?
Yeah,
I mean, it's going to be a tough
defense too.
It's going to be tough. I want to see how Belichick gets after him with less than what he's used to for weapons.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be interesting.
Give him a little pressure.
That's a
Let's see.
big thing.
We don't have Mayo. That's a big problem. But hey, I still like us.
Get back to that for a second, real quick. The Mayo thing. He barely got stepped on. It was like, oh, he's going to be right back in. And you figured, if anything, it was the
Didn't
angle.
look
And it's the
bad
knee.
at all.
You know?
I thought, was it a sprained knee or a sprained ankle?
No, it's his MCL.
It's MCL.
MCL.
So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much gonna wrap it this week, guys. We had, I mean, the Lenny thing we couldn't ignore. I mean, Lenny was just
Raw meat there.
What just the,
I mean,
He's right in front of your
unbelievable
face.
story.
It's a total disaster. That
It's just unbelievable. And the Kanye and Serena thing. I mean, the whole Serena thing, real quick. I don't have that big of a thing on it. I mean, John McEnroe.
Yeah, but
Oh, did he?
she has a
threaten
history
her.
of doing that though.
Yeah, but so did he, though.
She's
I mean,
crying.
I think if it's a guy, it's more accepted. But we'll hit on that another week.
He's a hell of a tennis player, but come on, it's, you can't complain about that. It happened to be the final point that threw her out. So
No.
see ya.
Thanks to my boy S. Marshall,
See you next week, kids.
Tommy Slats.
Till next time.
I'm Chuck Camp. Thanks to my stepson Mikey for his guitar playing once again. He gets it, and it's funny how he looks the same every weekend. He just gets
He's
it.
consistent.
He gets it just right. Thanks to my wife Michelle for her editing expertise. Till next week. Stay thirsty, my friends. We'll see you guys next week.
Go Pats.
Stay in control.